What if I told you there's a natural way to fertilize your soil, fight weeds, attract pollinators, and even lock away carbon, all without chemicals? The secret is cover crops. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind these living protectors of your garden. Welcome back to the channel. If you love growing healthier plants while working with nature, you're in the right place. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join the family so you don't miss out on more sustainable gardening insights. Cover crops are more than just greenery, they're living soil builders. Plants like clover, rye, and vetch fix nitrogen or improve soil structure by pushing roots deep into compacted ground. Studies show that cover crops increase soil organic matter, which boosts water retention and nutrient availability. This means healthier soil, fewer fertilizers, and stronger plant growth. Weeds thrive in empty soil, but cover crops act like a natural ground cover, blocking sunlight so weed seeds can't germinate. Some even release natural compounds into the soil that discourage weed growth. Instead of pulling weeds all season long, let cover crops do the heavy lifting for you. Cover crops also attract beneficial insects. Flowering varieties draw in pollinators, while others provide habitat for predatory insects that keep harmful pests in check. A balanced ecosystem means fewer pest outbreaks and more natural biodiversity working in your favor. There's another hidden benefit. Cover crops pull carbon dioxide from the air and store it underground through their roots. This process, called carbon sequestration, helps fight climate change while improving soil health. So when you plant cover crops, you're not just improving your garden, you're making a small but powerful impact on the planet. So how do you get started? Choose a cover crop that fits your season and soil goals. For nitrogen, go with legumes like clover. For soil structure, try grasses like rye. Plant them in fall or early spring, water them lightly, and let them do the work. Before they flower fully, cut them down and turn them into the soil, creating a natural green mulch. Cover crops are one of the most powerful tools in sustainable gardening, backed by both science and real-world results. If you're ready to grow healthier soil and stronger plants, start planting cover crops today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and become part of the family for more inspiring gardening insights.